You're broken down and tired of living life on the merry-go-round, and you can't find a fighter, but I see it in you, so we gon' walk it out. Move mountains, we gon' walk it out and move mountains. And I'll rise like the day. I'll rise up, I'll rise unafraid. I'll rise up, and I do it 1,000 times again. And I'll rise up, I like the waves. I'll rise up.
Good evening, Juris Doctors. I wish each and every one of you the best of luck. And as you conquer the next challenge, this 2024 bar exam, I encourage you to rely on God. Together with your knowledge you have gained during your time in St. Mary's, and also please consider the guidance and advices of your professors. No? And I'm pretty sure by this time that you were up with excitement, no? And maybe you felt that a little nervous also. No? Now, just wanted to ask this. Napabumiga na mukaon? Or kung naapa, napabuhay malasahan? Ha? Because maybe the time-honored principal tradition of your digestive system already started. No? The battle royale of constipation, acid reflux, and diarrhea. Pero ayaw mo padala na, ha? Diba once upon a time in your life, you were just dreaming of coming to law school. No? And once upon a time, you were also unsure of what it exactly be like. Diba, nidagkot pag-ani mo kandila para sa inyong mga grado na basig kaya pa mahila or kinahanglan pa og himala. Bitaw seriously. Look where you are now. You are just one step away from reaching your dreams. You were here, ready to take the bar, and you have reached this far. Okay? Because you have to understand that again, you have reached this far because you knew exactly that you will pass these 2024 bar exams and that you will become a Marian lawyer. No? Please stand firm with your silent promise to yourself, that you will become a lawyer someday. Okay? And I, together with other people who believe and supported you, will be all waiting to see your names in the list of the passers in these 2024 bar exams. Okay? And also, please start each day of the bar with a moment of truly surrendering and offering everything to the Divine Almighty. Because the moment you enter that room, nobody can help you there other than God and yourselves. Okay? So please believe in yourself and believe in God. And let me end this short message with a verse. That would be Micah 6 verse 8. Do justice, love kindness, and humbly walk with God. As early as now, I would like to congratulate you, Pañeros and Pañeras. Okay? Thank you, and again, good luck.
For our bar takers this year, kabalo ko kapoy na always remember good na naman na stock knowledge na sa inyo pila nakatuig mo nag-eskwela sa law school. Ay times siguro pag any day sa bar exam day murag what mo yung answer gida na even sa exams diba experience na natin pero nonetheless move on ka sa next question ka and then mansiran na ni mo and kaayos ka rin ni bar exam is maka-review pa ka mo na una experience sa laptop na pay time na mo din gahinan na 30 minutes before mag-end gahinan ni mo answer dili jud pwede na ulay answer ang gahinan the time is to review at least 30 minutes kana actually ang para sa kuan makahatag sa kong chance. And this is it. I-claim naman mo maling lang you need to focus psychologically na kaya ninyo may mga taong nakulat sa inyong after and even sa result ng daghan. So bar takers SMC pit na gamay na lang TTTY na ta. So good luck. Hopefully ma-hurdle ninyo. I not you give up. The man even if na kay halanan sira na. It's okay. The results will be the same. Good luck SMC it's 2024 batch.
To my ever dearest SMC barristers of 2024, I am so happy you have finally reached this monumental milestone. The journey you have undertaken has demanded nothing less than your sweat, blood, and tears, countless hours of study, sacrifice, and relentless determination. For 4 or more years, you've dedicated the prime of your life putting your earning potential on hold to pursue the noble calling of the law. This achievement speaks a lot of your unwavering commitment and passion. As you are about to take the bar exam, remember all that you have already accomplished. Take pride on how far you have come and trust in the knowledge and strength you have gained along the way. You've earned your place here, and you are more than ready to take this final step toward becoming lawyers as you are destined to be. When you sit in that examination room, it will just be you, your dream of becoming a lawyer, and the determination that has brought you this far. Trust in the power of your dreams and the exceptional drive that has fueled your journey. Take a deep breath, stay focused, and believe in your ability to succeed. You've come this far, and I have every confidence that you will make it through. Now go in there and show them what you are made of. I wholeheartedly wish all of you the best as you take this final step in your journey to becoming lawyers.
To our dearest bar candidates, I know the journey you're on is challenging, but I want you to see the bar exam as a rite of passage, merely a necessary step for you to advance to the next level in your career. It's easy to overthink and let doubts creep in, but remember, you've prepared for this moment. This exam is just another hurdle, not an insurmountable wall. When I took the bar, I was privileged to have the unwavering support of my family. But what truly sustained me was the power of positive thinking, faith in God, and the excitement of knowing that my dream was within reach. Every step you take now is bringing you closer to your own dreams. Trust in God's plan for you, stay focused, and let that excitement fuel your determination. You've got what it takes. Trust in your preparation, believe in yourself, and remember that God is guiding you every step of the way.